Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. And welcome to my 5th PR unboxing from KADSNAILART. We have 3 from their newest release of nail polishes, and these 3 are all reflective nail polishes. And their shade names are Starry Desert, Misty Lake, and Arctic Twilight. And we have 3 from their newest stamping plate collection. We have KADS Zoo 025, KADS Travel 016, and KADS Fashion 100. And there we have it. Thank you so much, KADSNAILART, for sending me all of these. If you want to check out these products and more, just click on the link of KADSNAILART.com on the description box below, and never forget to use my 10% discount coupon code. It's KADS honeycrunch321. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!